Salamullahi alaikum wa rahmatuhu wa barakatuh. This is Rado Ali with you. Today, inshallah, we're going to learn the Arabic alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go. The first one here from the right to left, because in Arabic we read and write from right to left. First one is Alif. Alif. Then here we go, we can't say groups because those here in green, they are all written like the same, but the difference is the dots. The first one is ba. Don't say pa, like P for pen. It's just a ba, like B for book. Next one is ta. And focus that you don't whistle here. You don't say ta, just like the T in English, because ta is not T in English. Then sa. Get the tip of the tongue outside your mouth. Sa. Then another group of letters, those in purple, they are the same, just quite a bit different in dots. First one with the dot in the middle is jim. Don't say jim, we say jim. We stretch. Jim. Then there is ha. Ha. Get it from the throat, just like you're opening a can. You say ah. This sound here, this is the letter ha. Deep from the throat. Then ha. Ha. And it's just like the sound of snoring. So you got here those three, jim, ha, and ha. Now here is dal. Then with a dot on top, zal, with the tip of the tongue outside the mouth. Or not the mouth, the teeth I meant. So here is zal. Then next group is ra and zay. Ra, zay. Here, those two, the first one is sin, and with the three dots on top, it is sheen. Here we got the letter sad. Sad, it's heavy. It's a heavy letter. We don't say sa. No, it's a sad. With the dot on top, it's bod. Those two, the first is ta, and don't say ta. Some people are saying ta, not Arabic people. I meant the learners. But now you will not differentiate between a ta and a ta. So the difference between them, that ta that we learned before, it's the third one in the Arabic alphabet. It's a light letter. We don't say ta, we say ta. But here this letter is ta. It's heavy. After ta, there is za. Still, we get the tip of the tongue outside the teeth. Za. So we got three letters that we get the tip of the tongue outside. Can you guess what are they? Sa, zal, and za. Very great. Those here in green is the first one is ayn, ayn, and with the dot is ghayn, ghayn. Still from the throat, and focus that the letters from the throat, they are I think hard for non-Arabic speakers, so you really need to focus on the letters that I say that they are from the throat. So here ayn and ghayn. Next one is fa, just like the F sound in English. Fa, and here is qaf. This one is kaf. By the way, qaf and kaf, they look like the same in sound, but the difference is that qaf is heaviest. Qaf, we say qaf, but the kaf is light. So we got qaf and kaf. This one here, the long one, is lamb. Lamb. This one, meme, meme, and noon, noon. Meme like M sound, noon like the N sound. Hair, hairs from the throat, and we get just air. It's just like it depends on air. So just get air from deeply inside. That will be this letter. Hair. Next one, the black one, is wow. Wow. Don't say wow, okay? It's just a wow. Wow. All right. Next one is hamza. If you get letter hair correctly, if you can say it correctly, like hair, so you can say hamza. It's hamza because it starts with the hair sound. Hamza. Then the last one is yeah, and we call it yeah wizza, like a has the shape of a duck. So this is yeah. All right. So I will say the letter, and then you repeat after me. Can we do that? Let's begin. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, zay, sin, shin, صاد ضاد طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون ها واو همزة yeah. Those were the names of the Arabic alphabet, and in next video we will learn the sounds of them. After learning the sounds of the Arabic alphabet, you would like we can say like you can read maybe 30% of Arabic, and then just like in a month, if you kept learning, if you kept listening a video in just, let's say, once a day, you will be learning how to read Arabic in less than a month. Trust me. So, keep learning. That's all. That's all for today also. And I'll see you inshallah next time. Assalamu alaikum.